You just go straight down. Safety off. Put that down. I'm gonna hold it for you now. You're gonna pull back with your arms, tight into your shoulder. Line the roll down where you want.
Good, Trot.
It makes a lot of noise.